Welcome back to our channel. Here we have a Ferrari 360 with us for a partial retrim. As you can see, there's some signs of wear, and the new owner has tasked us with refreshing the interior and making it more to their taste. This is a breakdown of what our customer has requested. To help visualise our customer spec, we now offer a photo rendering service. As you can see, this shows a lot of black Alcantara, and some of the items that are not normally trimmed can be. Hang around until the end to see the results. On to the seats now, where our customer requested a freshen up rather than a retrim. Our neighbour Barry at Multi-tech now offers an interior connolising service, so he sorted cleaning and connolising these seats to give them a new lease of life. This is the interior now complete, which we think looks incredible, unlike any other 360s we've seen. Let us know what you think. What would you have done differently? If we compare the renders to the end result, you can see why this service is quite important, and impressively they can show how accurate they are to the finished article. This car is now off to be repainted, so as mentioned before, let us know in the comments what you think. Like, share, subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you next time.